In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your first ad on YouTube. And to get started, you want to head over to adwords.google.com and create your AdWords account. Because Google owns YouTube, it's inside AdWords where we create our ad for YouTube. So I've put the link to this in the description of the video. You can click through and then create your AdWords account if you haven't got one. And if you do have one, you can just go ahead and sign in. Now, once inside, to create our advertising campaign, we want to click this button, Add Campaign, and then click Video Campaign. We can give our campaign a name. So we can say Test Video Campaign. And now we need to adjust some of the settings for our campaign here. There are some options, but I'm going to walk through some of the most important things to set. So daily budget, we can just put that in as $10 for a daily budget. In terms of where we want the ad to appear, for this particular ad, I just want it to appear on YouTube. So I can deselect that so it doesn't appear on any partner websites. Locations, you can set the location. I'm going to set it as the United States. You can set the language that you want it to appear in. English is fine for me. And then I can go ahead and just click Save and Continue. So now we create our ad group, and as I will be creating this ad group around certain keywords, I'm going to name the ad group keywords. It's in here now that you want to paste the URL to your YouTube video that you want to show as an ad. So you can just copy that from YouTube and paste that in. We now have the option to select the format of the ad. So I want it to show as an in-stream ad and really show over other videos that people are watching in YouTube. So I can put in the URL of where I want to send people. Now we can input our cost per view. So I'm going to set this at 15 cents. And over on the right hand side here, I can get a prediction of how many views that is going to get me. And I can raise my budget if I want to get more views. It's usually good to start low, and then as your campaign is live, you can come back and raise this if it needs to be raised. Now down here is targeting, and this is an important part of the ad campaign setup process. So you can see by default, it's going to show to any gender, age, parental status, or household income. So I want to narrow this down a little bit and really only show to males of my target demographic age, and show to those people who perhaps have a little bit more income. So I'm going to select that. Now in terms of narrowing down my targeting options further, I want to do this because I want to show this video only to people who are watching content that's related to certain keywords. You can also set up and put your ad in front of actual videos, and you can paste the URL of those videos right in here, so your ad will show up there. But for this ad group, I'm going to set it for some certain keywords. So I'm going to pop these in here. And if you want to find more related keywords, you can click on this button down here, and AdWords is going to suggest some keywords that you can also add to the campaign. So you can add those in if it makes sense, and then add all of your keywords and have them selected here. So once you've got that done, you can go ahead and click Save Ad Group. And now the campaign is live. So you'll want to... And now the campaign is live. So now it's your turn. Come into AdWords and set up your first YouTube ad campaign following the steps in the course, and monitor the success using this dashboard in AdWords.